My project is called Data Stories with Faro, and I'm going to introduce a data story about a multicultural wiki, and a multilingual one, because it's a wiki that is done in 4 indigenous languages, 1 Romance language, that is Spanish, and 1 computational language, that is Faro Smalltalk. And it's also multicultural in the sense that we are working with white women from the Amazonas, with linguists, with bioacoustians, informatics and mathematician, philosopher, audiovisual communication, in the departments of languages, communication, and information sciences. And that means that we need to use a way of communicate these diverse people. So what we are doing is data stories, like this one, and like this one. So our data stories that allow us to comprehend what we are doing with the wikis, how we are mixing that, creating new content, and the idea is that these notebooks has different needs and design opportunities. So for the people who is working on notebooks, the issue is that there is a lot of stress and pain points in notebooks, but also opportunities. So the opportunities are related with archival, with share and collaboration, and reproducing and reusing the notebooks. In our case, we solve that by using or by porting all these ideas from Graphoscopio, the notebook tool I made in 2014 to 2019 while I was doing my PhD. And the idea is that this Graphoscopio tool was a notebook done on Faro that allows you to create these kind of outlines with code and prose and visualizations, and to export that into a good format, like a PDF or a web format. We store that finally in a stone. Whoops. This is too quick. Well, anyway, at some point there is, so this is a stone format. It's stone with Markdown inside. So it's pretty light, and we can versionate that in a pretty easy fashion. But the issue is that with Minidocs, what we did was to port this idea to the Lepiter and GT environment. So this is now the new format. So this format is Mardip. Mardip is a superset of Markdown, and we have like this stone metadata. And with this stone metadata, we can share the notebooks with anyone who has used a web browser. They can publish those notebooks. They can use that notebooks and use it in a DIV-friendly format to share that with other people, to do version controlling on this, and they can publish that directly on the web. So it's a pretty easy way to collaborate instead of these long JSON nested files that are used by Jupyter, Lepiter, and all that stuff. So the idea is to have these tools that are doing this reproducible research in an easy fashion, and to allow us to collaborate with people beyond computer sciences. So people who is working with bioacousticians, people from the tribe, people from different like fields, and I will present more of that on Thursday. So hopefully you are going to be curious about that, and you can talk with me before the last talk the last day. So thank you. Okay.